Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. This is part 2 of Avoiding and Repairing Electric Power Steering Issues, a comprehensive guide. In our previous episode, we covered the fundamentals, and now in part 2, we're getting our hands dirty as we explore practical tips and techniques for repairing electric power steering issues. Let's continue this hands-on journey through the intricacies of electric power steering. Preventive maintenance and troubleshooting. Regular inspection and fluid checks. Regular inspection and fluid checks are essential for maintaining the health of your electric power steering system. To start, ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface, the engine is off, and the key is removed from the ignition. Next, locate the power steering fluid reservoir, which is typically labeled and may be found near the engine. Check the fluid level against the markings on the reservoir and top up if necessary with the recommended fluid. Additionally, inspect the condition of the fluid. It should be transparent and free from particles or discoloration. Any signs of contamination may indicate a potential issue that requires further attention. Following manufacturer guidelines for maintenance. Adhering to the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule is crucial for the longevity of your electric power steering system. This includes following the intervals for fluid flushes, typically outlined in the owner's manual. Regular inspections and component checks are also part of the maintenance routine to prevent unforeseen issues. It's important to note that neglecting these guidelines could result in premature wear and potential failures of the power steering system. Diagnosing and addressing common issues. Understanding how to diagnose and address common electric power steering issues can save time and money. Begin by checking the power steering fluid level and condition, ensuring it meets the manufacturer's specifications. If the steering feels heavy or produces unusual noises, it may indicate a problem with the system that requires immediate attention. Basic diagnostic steps can include checking for loose or worn components, inspecting the power steering belt, and assessing the overall condition of the system. If issues persist, it's advisable to seek assistance from a professional mechanic to prevent further damage to the electric power steering system. Professional repairs and replacements. When encountering issues with electric power steering (EPS) systems, it's crucial to seek expert diagnosis and repairs. Certified technicians possess the knowledge and tools to conduct a thorough diagnosis, identifying the root cause of the problem. This expertise is instrumental in ensuring an accurate assessment and precise resolution, ultimately saving time and resources. Seeking expert diagnosis and repairs. Consulting certified technicians for complex EPS issues is paramount. These professionals have an in-depth understanding of the intricate workings of EPS systems, enabling them to pinpoint underlying malfunctions and implement effective solutions. By entrusting the diagnosis and repair to qualified experts, vehicle owners can avoid potential misdiagnoses and ensure the long-term performance of their EPS systems. Component replacements and calibration. The process of replacing and calibrating key components in EPS systems demands precision and expertise. Certified technicians are equipped to handle component replacements with meticulous attention to detail, ensuring seamless integration and optimal functionality. Additionally, calibration procedures are executed with exacting precision to guarantee the accurate performance of the EPS system, enhancing driving safety and comfort. By entrusting professional repairs and replacements to certified technicians, vehicle owners can rest assured that their EPS issues are addressed with the highest level of proficiency and precision, ultimately safeguarding the reliability and performance of their vehicles. As we've explored the potential challenges and solutions related to electric power steering, it's clear that proactive maintenance plays a crucial role in preventing serious issues. By regularly checking the power steering system and fluid levels and addressing any unusual sounds or sensations promptly, drivers can significantly reduce the risk of more extensive and costly repairs. Additionally, recognizing the value of professional expertise in diagnosing and repairing electric power steering problems is essential for the ongoing reliability and safety of the vehicle. Expert technicians can detect issues early, offer accurate solutions, and ensure the correct functioning of the system. Ultimately, prioritizing regular maintenance and seeking professional assistance when needed will not only extend the lifespan of the electric power steering system, but also contribute to a smoother and safer driving experience for all. As we bring our two-part series to a close, we hope the practical tips and techniques discussed in Part 2 empower you to tackle electric power steering issues confidently. Please comment, like, share and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.